My late grandmother gave me a secret message. What happened next will shock you. I love my grandmother so much, I would go visit her in Brooklyn every weekend. Before she passed, she used to whisper a phrase in Igbo in her sleep all the time. She was fading mentally, so I didn't think much of it until she spoke her last words. The same phrase she would murmur in her sleep. I couldn't write in Igbo, and I only understood a few words, but I wrote down the sounds of her phrase phonetically as best I could. Upset at myself for never asking her what it meant, I made it my mission to find out. I spent the rest of the year learning fluent Igbo, determined to decipher the message. It felt like I was tapping into a secret, hidden superpower within myself to solve a mystery. And then one day, months later, I finally got it.
Chidiebere, echiche m na ndụ m ikpeazụ bụ ka iwe aṅụrị na afa Igbo gị mụtakwa ka esi asụ Igbo. My dying wish is for you to embrace your name and learn the Igbo language.
As I read the message, a tear fell out of my eye. Comment culture if you love your culture.